I'll give you an example of how this system works. It's pretty neat, pretty unique. And if I land on this particular page here, notice that what is going to happen after a few seconds that I'm on this page, this is going to pop up over here, right? So then if the person keeps on scrolling down, getting more info, etc. And so at this point, it goes away, it disappears. But then that's only one of another second review and so on. Now, at one point, the person obviously, while navigating through the website, is going to be curious about knowing about all these pop-ups and what they say, because obviously any person wants to get reviews done or checked on. So if I click on the more, notice what happens. It actually pulls out the, in this case, the Maria website, review, and it gives you all the reviews, in this case 4 and 5 stars. That's what the system is programmed to do, and it tells me where it's coming from, and also if where it comes from, in this case from Google, and if Maria has a picture, the picture of Maria would show up here. Now the person which is checking the website wants to check more reviews, then he's obviously more capable of doing so, going through all the reviews that she wants to check. This is a powerful system because it's actually a psychological way of telling the person that your site, your website, your business is on top of the line, has tons of good reviews, and thus making a decision for whoever is doing this website review, checking out your review, landing on your page, is going to be positively impacted. Now, if the person wants to click to contact us, we can say here, click to call, or click to schedule, or click for a consultation, so forth and so on. We can change the button to whatever your needs are. So it's a pretty unique thing. The person keeps, clicks away, and then more pop-ups keep coming up. If the person moves to a different page, in this case, not only the home page, the pop-ups keeps on coming in a very subtle way. So it's a very unique way. Very, very few offices have it now, and so you can be on top of everybody else and have an edge on your marketing system. Okay, thank you much.